Hi, I'm Daniel, Clinical Lead at Treated. NuvaRing is a small, flexible piece of plastic you insert into your vagina, and it works just like the combined pill. It's over 99% effective at preventing pregnancy when used correctly. And some women prefer it to the pill because they don't have to remember to do it every day, and it's out of sight and really discreet. You'll insert it on the first day of your cycle, which is the day your period normally begins. Then you leave it in place for 21 days before removing it and having a ring-free week. After your ring-free week, you'll insert your next ring and then repeat. As well as giving you protection from pregnancy, NuvaRing has other benefits too. It can help to make your periods lighter, and some women find that it helps them with symptoms of PMT. Some women also find it more reliable than the pill, because once you've inserted it, you don't have to think about it for 3 weeks. You can get NuvaRing online with us. We've helped thousands of women get the birth control they need, and you can ask our clinical experts anything you want, anytime you like.